I think that truth is defined in a mathematical paradigm, which means it's defined within a language, and it's a certain value that you set on variables that have the property that they can be true or false, or have a truth value that varies in degrees. And in some sense, truth is a predicate that you can calculate in this context. And you can translate this into the languages that our mind is typically using, which are models. And in these models, we can have some kind of truth definition, which means that the model, depending on the type of model that you have, can conform to any of your mathematical truth definitions. So it can be something that is can be reduced to a set of axioms, for instance. And this means that it can be, in some sense, compressed to the set of axioms, or expanded from the set of axioms into a certain state of that descriptive system. And it's difficult to apply truth to an outside world. So I don't believe in a reference theory of truth. These references can only exist between different models. On the other hand, we normally never talk about the outside world, because it's this weird quantum graph that is not accessible to us, right? So we, in some sense, have a res extensa and a res cogitans, to speak with Descartes. And res extensa is not the universe itself, it's our model of the universe. It's the idea that everything that we perceive corresponds to a region in the same three-dimensional space that is dynamically changing as a temporal extension as well. And res cogitans is everything else, our ideas that we have about that, the anticipations that we have, hypotheses that we have, memories that we have, intentions that we have, and so on. And these two interact, but there are several types of models that coexist in our own mind. And when we refer to something in the world, we refer to something in the integrated model of the universe that we have that is changing, and it's not static, it's not reality.